Luwak history. Original Luwak is rare and exotic coffee produced from the finest Arabica beans and the wild Luwak Asian palm seafood from the mountains of Central Aceh in Sumatra. Since the 17th century, when Arabica beans began to be widely cultivated, the Indonesian island of Sumatra has enjoyed an international reputation for the superior quality and flavor of its coffee. The island is also the home of Original Luwak, also known as seafood coffee. Original Luwak is made from coffee beans that have been eaten by a small tree-dwelling animal, the Asian palm seafood. Ripe red coffee cherries are one of the favorite foods of the seafood, or luwak, as it is called in Indonesia. The luwak is a discriminating animal, choosing only the ripest and the sweetest berries available. After the luwak swallows the berries, they ferment in the digestive system, where a unique combination of stomach enzymes breaks down the proteins that give coffee its bitter taste. The inner beans are passed intact, still encased in their protective hulls, then collected, tightly cleaned, dried, and lightly roasted to preserve their complex flavor. Luwak coffee originally comes from Indonesia, and the best Luwak coffee beans come from Aceh in the northern mountains of Sumatra. Sumatra is the world's largest regional producer of original Luwak. The island's rich volcanic soil and the cooler mountainous climate have created the ideal conditions for the cultivation of original Luwak coffee, renowned for its rich flavor and the unusual process by which it is made. Our original Luwak coffee is selected from finest and highest grade Arabica coffee beans, guaranteed. We serve this most expensive coffee for the premier customer. History of Kofindo. PT Kofindo started as a small trading company in 1999, operating from our Medan-based head office in North Sumatra, Indonesia. We have grown to be one of Indonesia's best coffee beans companies, with more than 10 years experience selling the finest Indonesian Arabica and Robusta green coffee beans to both local and international markets, such as United States of America, Europe, Japan, China, Egypt, and many others. We also sell several varieties of specialty coffee originating from Indonesia for industrial, roasting companies, brokers, and end users to maintain our customer worldwide. Visit us at www.kofindo.com. Membership and certification. PT Kofindo is a member of the International Coffee Organization, the Association of Indonesian Coffee Exporters, the Specialty Coffee Association of Indonesia, the Specialty Coffee Association of America, and the Specialty Coffee Association of Japan. We hold a Food and Drug Administration certificate from the Department of Health and Human Services of the United States, as well as the Sukofindo Certificate of Analysis certification by Indonesia's Health Ministry and Halal certification. These certifications prove that original luwak contains the highest quality ingredients and meets the requirements of international standard quality. We produce the best original luwak available, guaranteed. Processing. Plantation. Original Luwak coffee is produced by our own people on 1,200 acres of our plantation, which has organic certification and legal certification by the local government of Central Aceh. The following is the processing chain, started from collecting parchment, cupping, hulling, green bean, roasted, powder, packaging, and distribution. Direct collector. 3 teams with a total of 18 people direct from our company collect the coffee beans from the wild luwak on our own land, and no contractors or farms are used, and the luwak are free to pick the choicest coffee beans available. After the beans are collected in parchment, we select only the best coffee beans, or about 50% of total coffee collected. The entire harvesting and manufacturing process is controlled and supervised by PT Kofindo. Thus, we can maintain the excellent quality of our original luwak, producing it under pristine conditions in accordance with internationally recognized quality standards. Our original luwak is 100% safe and hygienic, thoroughly clean, hulled, and treated with ultraviolet to kill any possible bacteria. We process our original luwak coffee by the following method. Cupping. We have our own key grader on site to ensure the cupping quality has the minimum score of 84, meaning only the highest quality luwak coffee is sold. Our key grader is also a star cupper qualified to judge coffee contests at an international level. Harry Setiawan holds key grader and star cupper certification from the Specialty Coffee Association of Indonesia, Agribusiness Market and Support Activity, and the U.S. Agency for International Development. We personally test and grade each batch of original luwak coffee for aroma, flavor, acidity, body, aftertaste, and overall balance. The result is an extraordinarily smooth cup of coffee with a balanced composition of acidity and body, a nutty aroma and flavor notes of chocolate, fresh roasted almonds, and linger on the tongue with long and clean aftertaste. Coffee not only boosts energy and clears the mind, it is also an excellent source of antioxidants, which have a number of potential health benefits, including protection against heart disease and cancer. Coffee is one of the top sources of antioxidants, containing the active antioxidant ingredients chlorogenic acid and caffeic acid. According to the Coffee Science Information Center in the United States, 200 milliliters of Arabica coffee, or about 1 cup, can contain between 70 and 200 milligrams of chlorogenic acid. Kofindo is able to ensure that each and every cup of original luwak coffee is original, authentic, and the highest possible quality. We offer the rarest and finest coffee in the world with a flavor complexity unparalleled by any other beverage. While luwak are protected on the plantations of PT Kofindo, the luwak population is threatened with extinction in other parts of Indonesia, and available stocks are expected to decrease. Luwak coffee may be the world's most rare and expensive coffee, but many people believe it can bring luck for them, and those who have tried original luwak know it is well worth the price for the experience of an exotic and elegant taste adventure.